Hello all, how's it going? Today in this review, I'm going to be showing you guys a review of the Sharp digital alarm clock with USB charge port. I picked this up earlier from Walmart, and I bought this for around $12 or $13 or so. At first, I was looking for an alarm clock that was USB chargeable, USB powered, without all the cords and whatnot. But this alarm clock is corded, and you're able to charge your USB port or whatever USB you want to plug into this thing. It's a display dimmer. It's easy to set. Red LED display dimmer. 6.6 inch red LED display, snooze alarm. Yeah, I can't wait to use this clock. I don't have to rely so much on my phone, So this is the clock itself. Once you pull it out of the box, that's the alarm set, the hour, the alarm on and off, the minutes, the time set. And mind you guys, don't get confused when it says batteries not included. Those batteries, it's just for power backup, in the case of you need to unplug your alarm clock for a minute or a few seconds, a few hours or what have you. These batteries will save your data, your information that's stored on this clock in case you lose power, Kind of like a safety net, so to speak. And this requires two AAA batteries, two AAA batteries. And you don't have to have batteries for this thing. But like I said, it's just to save your time settings. Yeah, y'all, this is my alarm clock. I have the instructions manual here. Now I'm gonna power this, give you guys a live review of what this clock is. Build, it's power. Okay, it's blinking. Alright, let's see if I can set this. Alright, so let's say alarm set. What if I held this down? I remember back in the day, I still remember this from my childhood, You had those bit bulky alarm clocks. I know what I'm talking about. Set for an hour. Let's set this for 2:30. Mind you guys, I'm holding down the alarm set here. Press the hour I want, the minute I want. I want to set this for 2:30. Alright. And I want this for I don't see where it can do AM or PM. That's the thing. Okay, I see it there. See where it says PM? Now what I'm going to do is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m. You guys see that? 1, 2 p.m. Alright. Now I let go of the alarm set. Now I'm gonna do alarm on. Now my alarm is set to 2:30 p.m. Y'all see that? Alarm set 2:30 p.m. Okay, so for my time set, I don't know what time it is, but let's just say it's 1 o'clock a.m., 1 o'clock, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., etc. 12 p.m. Let's say it's 3 p.m. Right? My alarm is set to 2:30 p.m. So I'm all set. It's easy, y'all. So I'm all set for this alarm to wake me up at 2:30 p.m. Yeah, y'all, I'm happy with this. This is my alarm clock, y'all. Great quality from China, y'all. Great quality. Well, manufactured here in the USA. But yeah, y'all. That concludes my video. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video or any of the content I post, do feel free to rate, comment, subscribe.